Hi all, I'm Diksha and today we'll be discussing about Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. The Solid Waste Management Rules 2016 provide a comprehensive framework for managing waste in India. They aim to ensure proper segregation, collection, processing, and disposal of solid waste, with a focus on environmental protection and public health. Key objectives of the rules: 1. Reduce waste generation. 2. Promote recycling and reuse. 3. Safe waste disposal. 4. Public participation. Reduce waste generation. Promote source reduction and waste minimization to decrease overall waste volume. Promote recycling and reuse. Encourages recycling, reuse, and compositioning of waste materials to conserve resources and reduce landfill dependence. Safe waste disposal ensures responsible waste disposal methods, minimizing environmental pollution and health risks. Public participation promotes public awareness and engagement in waste management practices, encouraging responsible citizen behavior. Responsibilities of waste generators: segregation at source, proper storage, waste collection, and compliance with regulations. Segregation at source. Waste generators are responsible for segregating waste at the source into different categories like dry, wet, and hazardous waste. Proper storage. Waste must be stored in designated containers, preventing spillage and odor, and ensuring safe handling practices. Waste collection. Waste generators must ensure proper disposal by handling over segregated waste to authorized collectors or designated locations. Compliance with regulations. Generators must adhere to all rules and regulations related to waste management, including reporting and record keeping requirements. Segregation and collection of waste. Source segregation. Waste must be segregated at the source into different categories such as dry, wet, hazardous, and biomedical waste to enable efficient processing and disposal. Collection systems. Different collection systems should be used for different types of waste, ensuring proper handling and transportation to prevent contamination and environmental hazards. Waste processing and disposal. Recycling. Waste materials like paper, plastic, metal, and glass should be recycled to conserve resources and minimize landfill waste. Composting. Organic waste like food scraps and yard waste should be composted to produce nutrient-rich soil amendment. Incineration. Hazardous and medical waste may be incinerated under strict regulations to ensure safe and environmentally sound disposal. Landfilling. The remaining waste that cannot be recycled or composted should be disposed of in landfills, adhering to strict engineering and environmental standards. Extended producer responsibility. Design for sustainability, take-back schemes, financial responsibility, and product labeling. Design for sustainability. Manufacturers should design products to minimize waste and maximize reusability and recyclability. Take-back schemes. Producers should establish systems for taking back the products at the end of their life to ensure proper recycling or disposal. Financial responsibility. Producers should contribute financially to the management of their products, particularly for hazardous or difficult to recycle materials. Product labeling. Producers should provide clear labeling on packaging and products, indicating recyclability and disposal instructions. Management of plastic waste. Reduce use. Encourage the use of reusable alternatives to plastic bottles and bags, like water bottles and cloth bags. Proper recycling. Promote proper sorting and collection of plastic waste for recycling and ensure its effective processing. Ban single-use plastics. Implement bans on single-use plastic items such as straws, plates, and bags to curb their environmental impact. Biodegradable alternatives. Encourage the use of biodegradable alternatives to plastic, such as compostable bags and food containers. Biomedical waste management. Segregation and collection. Separate biomedical waste into different categories, including sharps, infectious waste, and non-infectious waste. Treatment and disposal. Treat biomedical waste using methods like autoclaving, incineration, or chemical disinfection to ensure safe disposal. Tracking and record keeping. Maintain records of waste generation, treatment and disposal, compiling with regulations and ensuring accountability. Compliance and monitoring. Ensure compliance with regulations. Monitor treatment facilities and implement strict safety protocols for handling biomedical waste. Construction and demolition waste management. 100% recycling potential. Most construction and demolition waste can be recycled, reducing landfill waste and conserving resources. 50% recycling rates. Current recycling rates for construction and demolition waste are low, indicating significant potential for improvement. 50% cost savings. Recycling construction and demolition waste can save on landfill fees and disposal cost. $20 million market value. Recycled construction materials have a significant market value, creating economic opportunities. Compliance and enforcement mechanisms. The rules are enforced through a combination of inspections, penalties, and public awareness campaigns. The Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB) and the State Pollution Control Board (SPCBs) play a crucial role in monitoring compliance and enforcing of the rules. Local authorities are responsible for implementing the rules at municipal level, working with waste generators, collectors, and processors to ensure effective waste management.